Hey everyone! Did you know that the drone delivery market is expected to grow at a staggering rate with the potential to deliver over 1 billion packages by 2024? Imagine that. How cool would it be to have your online shopping orders flying right to your doorstep? So today we're diving into the world of delivery drones and their increasing relevance in online shopping. As we all know, the e-commerce landscape is evolving rapidly, and with it comes the need for faster, more efficient delivery options. Drones are stepping up to the plate, and we're here to explore what that means for all of us. Now let's talk about the challenges we face in the delivery sector. We've got traffic jams that can turn a quick delivery into a frustrating wait, not to mention the environmental concerns tied to traditional delivery methods. Delivery drones have the potential to cut through all that chaos. They can fly directly to your location, reducing delivery times and the carbon footprint associated with all those delivery trucks on the road. It's a win-win situation. But of course, we still have a long way to go before drones can fully take over our deliveries. Okay, so what's happening in the world of drone technology? We're seeing some serious advancements. Companies are investing heavily in drone technology, working hard to get around the regulatory hurdles that have been holding them back. Testing is already underway in many places, with companies like Amazon and Google's Wing making strides in the drone delivery arena. They're figuring out the best ways to navigate our skies safely while delivering your favorite products right to your front door. It's a fascinating time to see how this technology is evolving. Now let's highlight a key moment in this journey. One standout example is Wing's successful drone delivery service in Australia, where they've managed to deliver packages in less than 30 minutes. This case study is a perfect representation of what the future of online shopping could look like. Imagine placing an order and having it delivered by drone before you've even finished your coffee. That's not just a dream anymore, it's becoming a reality. As we wrap things up, it's clear that delivery drones are set to reshape our shopping experience and the logistics industry as we move forward. They promise to make deliveries faster, reduce our reliance on traditional vehicles, and potentially lower costs for both consumers and retailers. The future looks bright, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. So what do you think about drone deliveries? Are you excited to see packages flying to your doorstep? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights into the latest technology trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.